Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to open Coder and start a project now. First, confirm you have a working folder and a target language set. This saves time later. Open the Files panel, create a new file, and name it with the correct extension so syntax highlighting activates. Once done, set your editor preferences, tab size, theme, and autosave. Make sure to enable linting or import a config file so errors surface as you type. This prevents costly debugging later. Also connect version control now, so commits are tracked from the start. Now build your workspace and run an initial test. Open an integrated terminal, install any required packages, and run the basic compile or run command for your language. While it's executing, split the editor to compare files and use search to jump to definitions. This speeds debugging. Use breakpoints or console logs as appropriate, and watch the problems or output panels for immediate feedback. If code fails, read the first error line. It usually identifies the root cause. Then, fix the smallest. Finalize by saving, committing, and packaging your work. Export or build artifacts, run unit tests, and verify output in a clean environment to ensure reproducibility. Once completed, document key commands and settings in a README so you or teammates can replicate the setup. If you encounter a persistent problem, clear caches, restart Coder, and retest. This resolves many stateful issues. If problems continue, capture logs and error output. Then consult your linter or run a minimal reproduction. Include exact steps and sample inputs to speed troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.